Thanks for joining us at XM.com. I'm Cristina Marujos, and you're watching the Daily Market Comment by Mario Hadjikyriacos. The bulls have taken the upper hand in financial markets to start the week, with global stocks surging alongside commodity currencies, even without any cheerful news behind the fresh optimism. Chinese markets are leading the charge, jumping more than 5%. The sanguine mood spilled over into other regions and assets, with futures tracking the major indices on Wall Street, pointing to an approximately 1% gain when U.S. markets open, while safe havens like the yen and dollar are getting crushed. Just looking at the charts, one might conclude that things are getting better quickly. Perhaps the real answer is that Chinese markets are soaring simply because there's too much liquidity floating around in the global financial system that needs to find a home rather than reflecting improving global demand. For one, the U.S. virus situation is going from bad to worse, shattering hopes of a V-shaped recovery now that California, Texas, Florida, and Arizona have closed some businesses again to bring the outbreak back under control. Combined, these 4 states alone account for roughly 1/3 of the U.S. economy, so there's a real risk of the nationwide recovery faltering if the situation continues to worsen. Markets don't seem worried though, and looking ahead, the cheerful mood could endure for now as there's nothing on the immediate horizon to ruin the party. Indeed, there seems to be some weakened spell going on with the U.S. virus numbers, where the cases reported on Monday and Tuesday are much lower compared to those later in the week. A set of better-looking numbers could add more fuel to the risk trade for now, but the latter part of the week is a different story, as the weekly jobless claims will reveal the initial impact of the reclosures on employment. In Australia, the Reserve Bank concludes its meeting overnight, and while no action is expected, there's a chance of a more dovish-sounding narrative. If so, the high-flying Aussie could lose some altitude, though its overall direction will be decided by global risk sentiment and how U.S.-China tensions evolve. This was today's Daily Market Comment at XM.com. Have a great week.